Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah states that his father wrote Umar bin Abdullah bin Arqam Zohri a letter to go to Hazrat Subayya Aslamiyah, Haris' daughter, and ask her about the decree which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued on her query. Umar bin Abdullah wrote to Abdullah bin Utbah that he went and inquired of Hazrat Subayya radiyallahu anha, and in reply she said she was married to Hazrat Saad bin Khawla Amiri, a member of Banu Amir bin Loy, and he was a Badr participant and passed away on the occasion of farewell pilgrimage. She was pregnant then, and soon after his death she gave birth to a baby. After getting rid of Purpurium, she made her up for the suitor's proposal. In the meanwhile, a man from Banu Abdiddar tribe called Abu Sanabil bin Baka came to her and said, "What has happened to you that you have adorned yourself? Perhaps you want to remarry. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you cannot marry unless you complete the period of your months and 10 days. Subayya says, when Hazrat Abu Sanabil radiyallahu anhu said that to me, I took my clothes, visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the evening, and inquired him of this issue. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that my waiting period expired when I gave birth to the child, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded me to remarry if I wished." Ibn Shihab Zohri says, there is no harm if a woman remarries soon after the childbirth, though her blood is flowing. However, her husband cannot practice coitus with her unless she gets clean. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3706.